So question 5 stating how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint. So it's kind of the same question as what we're doing from a previous video when you're talking about conversions, right? Measurement. So how many cups are equivalent to one pint? So how many cups are equivalent to a pint? Again, we're working in the imperial system here. This would be in the imperial system. And what we can do is we can kind of draw out like a schematic, right? We can say, remember our scales here for the imperial system. We have 1 cup. So we have 1 cup equals, this is 8 fluid ounces, right? 8 fluid ounces. We know that 1 pint equals 2 cups. We know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. And then 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, right? So we know all of these kind of empirical measurements for measuring this is volume, right? So what we can do is what do we care about here? We care about how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint, right? So in order for us to do that, we care about this guy here. So 1 pint equals 2 cups. Do this in blue. It says how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint, right? So actually in this case it's so how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint? So your solution here is correct here. I have my solution here. How many cups are equivalent to 1 pint? 1 pint equals 2 cups. I don't have to do any kind of math here, just because it's by inspection here, right? I know this measurement from before. So the solution here, 1 pint equals 2 cups. We're good. So it says here, half of a pint, which is equal to 8 fluid ounces, or 16 tablespoons. Half of a pint equals 1 cup. Okay, but I need to know what one cup is, or 1 pint is. So a cup is defined by 0.5 pints. Then 1 pint equals 2 cups here. So 1 pint equals 2 cups. So I don't think they stated the solution here. They just had half a pint equals 1 cup. But it says how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint. So this here is the solution. This here is the solution. 1 pint equals 2 cups. I don't think they stated it clearly, but I think it's in there. So good solution, but didn't state clearly. And the 1 pint equals 2 cups is your solution. So I'll say the solution is correct, but like I don't know why they wrote half of a pint equals 1 cup. That's not what it's asking. What equivalent to 1 pint, not half a pint. So it's just it's kind of a big text here. I don't know what. I don't know what the story is. Starting from a gallon, which is bigger. There was a town called Gallonland. I don't know about the story, but you can say good solution, but didn't say clearly 1 pint equals 2 cups is your solution. So I'm gonna say solution here is correct, but there isn't like it wasn't very clear as to how they got as to where it was in the question.